Today, BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean your trench gun really fast, because we're on a time crunch. Oh yeah!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Howdy folks, welcome back to BangMung cleaning video. That's the exact same as all the other cleaning video. Where today we actually found where that big boy adapter was. After all this time, it was on the cleaning rod of the Vulcan when we were cleaning the barrel of that before we realized how horribly wrong it is in every capacity. So we're gonna go ahead and clean our, we're gonna go ahead. Well, okay, they double it up there. We're fucking retarded. Fuck. Alright, well now I sit here like a capital letter C. I'm gonna go ahead and shit myself. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and clean this guy before I shit myself again. And we're gonna go ahead and keep my posture horrible. Let's go ahead and get this guy out. And well, he's... it screws on. I'm so proud of it. It has knowledge. And now, in the Hershey hole. I feel it's too small. We're gonna try the bigger guy. The bigger guy. The bigger guy! What a fucking entrance bigger guy did. Alright, let's get more Earl in there. I forgot to mention, this is Earl. Hello. Now. Oh, that's better. What you touching, Spudge? Oh. Giving me the extra light finger.
Yeah, man.
Okay, never do that again, please, but...
Longer. Needs to be longer. So much longer.
You're really displeasing me today. I hope you know that.
I'm trying to get my thing good. Crocodiles only got 4 years of age, and then the child. That's all they do.
On days like these, it makes me wonder why
Yeah.
God chose to forsake me.
I wish I had a bundle of eggs right now that I could eat like a snake. Slurp them up one at a time.
What? Insert. I don't think that went down the entire way. No, it did not. This needs to be even longer. But yeah, that's fine. It's fine for at the moment.
We can make it longer.
Hey, you do it in incrementals, you slub. It's nice that this is smoothbore, because this is easier as fuck to clean. I don't have to scrub the ever-living hellgog out of it. Now it's time to extend it again. And hopefully never hear that noise again. Peel that.
I don't know why I like gators so much. They're just a scaly little fiend. But you know, the eels are even worse. They're slimy. They look like a noodle with teeth, you know, and they swim at you and they say, ha chomp, and they just a chomp.
What? It's even longer. We don't need it any longer now, thank fuck. I don't have to hear that as if it's going down through the bottom. Get up and do the scrub! I hit the light. Alright, let's go ahead and get this dude off, and then we're gonna go ahead and polish it. Shit. What could you possibly be huckling about? Perfect little tampon size for a hole of that sort. Period humor. Get on! There we go. There we go, got it on. Now to roll it on down. Huh.
Goodness.
Switching sides, I see. Fuck. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and put it back in and switch it again. So switch to a fatter boy. Yeah, it's probably from all the fucking things I just threw through it today. A little extra gristle in there. Cleaning your guns are very important. Cleaning your guns are very important, you see. Let's try and get that big fat fanny in here. Weasel is fucking flompish ass. Yeah, no, actually, never mind. That's not gonna work. That's just like muzzle loaders or something. So we're gonna go with this guy. But the one time I don't have the other adapter on. You see how convoluted this kit is? You need an adapter for an adapter to put another adapter on. Make that adapt to the adapter.
You know what's really weird is adapting to the wildlife of the ocean, especially when you get them little slimers coming up on you, like a stingray. They're real slimy if you touch them. But the eels are even worse. They're like little sea pickles with teeth, and they swim. And I don't really know how I feel about that. Do you? You ever been out on the ocean, Mung? But BangMung? Hey, BangMung. You ever been out on a boat?
No.
You ever been sailing in the seven seas?
I've been on a fucking pedal boat.
I just feel like
I just feel like this conversation needs to end. That's what I'm thinking here. Okay, let's go ahead and get that boy from the floor and go back to seeing that. The brown and the dark. The muck, the grease.
And BangMung, you know what's really weird is them hippopotamus. Is it hippopotamus?
Really weird is why you're still doing this. Shut. What? Fuck. Okay. What? The fuck you chuckling about, gunk? I swear to fucking God, you're covering up more shit. And that's why you're huckling here?
I just want to know if you ever done rode a rhinoceros out in the safari, the Sahara, even. They got the horns. They might poke you. Oh. Hey, BangMung, I might not be your biggest fan, but I just want to know. You use all these weapons. You ever go like them eels are real slimy, right? And they got teeth. They'll bite you.
I'm not entertained for much longer.
Oh!
Alright, I think that's enough for that. We're gonna go ahead and end it off with the usual snake. Go ahead and disassemble our shaft. Get this boy. Look at the grease on my hand. Don't use that as lube, boys and girls. It's not good for you. Innuendos. What the fuck was that jaw maneuver? Go ahead and prove what the fuck I just saw. Fucking Zern boy done shaggled his jaw at me like a fucking spooky, scary skeletron. Homie's over here in the Hallows Eve. Where's Big Fat Willie?
That's my fingies.
Well, there we go. I got Big Fat Willie. Forgot what I named him before, but that's Big Fat Willie now. Got another bit of a... Cream that boy. And now, Big Fat Willie's gonna go on a big fat trip. He's gonna go to Willy Wonka's shit-stain emporium. Alright, go ahead and send him down the drain. I said send him down the drain. Go down. Yeah, I know you're there. I can smell the salsa. Get out here. Okay. Well, you see, that probably has a handle. Why is this so black? What happened to this guy? That was not my causation. I don't know what the fuck that thing happened to it. Oh, that's probably why it doesn't go in. Alright. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that's a guy. His name is... you hear that? This is... I think that should do her. But I'm going to do it again. Because if you don't be sure, you'll never be correct. Speaking of which, did you know that the only time Chuck Norris was ever wrong in his life is when he thought he made a mistake? Trivia. Another Chuck Norris thing is that he is so fast he was able to run around the back... yeah, that was too complicated for my vocabulary. Oh, God. Alright, yo, fuck that. We're gonna go and keep going. It's a boy! Welcome to the world. It's awful. Alright, now we got a nice clean guy on the barrel. Slap that motherfucker shut. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Cleaning the outside. It's so fast. Oh, there's a long way. Or a lot goes a little way. What's the real purpose of the reality? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just flailing.
Hey, BangMung, you ever heard about them tadpoles that are in the river? BangMung, hey, you ever scoop them out with the jellyfish net? See, I go gator hunting, and I just want to know if you ever seen them on the shore.
Okay, it's clean. Okay, it's clean. We're done. It's good. It's happy. It's bungy. It's wet. It makes me feel good inside my belly. But yeah, we are done here today on our average as usual cleaning session video. Maybe we'll just assemble it another time. You'll have to stay tuned for that. But I am the greatness that is soon to be, BangMung. And before I see you in the next video, leave a little bit of a question down there in the comment section, because we're probably doing a Q&A. You'll never know until you do it, so leave a question in the comments, and we might answer it if we're doing one. But yeah, I will see you whenever I upload next. Ta-ta, now get the fuck out of my house.
Hey, BangMung, I just got to ask you a little bit more about that safari trip. You ever head down to Africa? I think that's what it's called, is Africa. Hey.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, boom!